Carob and raisins are two natural ingredients that come together to provide a range of health benefits and a delightful flavor combination. Carob, derived from the pods of the Ceratonia siliqua tree, is often used as a healthier alternative to chocolate due to its natural sweetness and resemblance to cocoa. Carob is rich in dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and can help regulate bowel movements. It's also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including calcium and potassium, which contribute to bone health and overall well-being. Raisins, on the other hand, are dried grapes, and they bring their own set of advantages to the table. They are a concentrated source of energy, thanks to their natural sugars, making them a nutritious and quick snack option. Raisins are packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals and promote healthy aging. Additionally, they contain iron, which aids in preventing anemia, and dietary fiber that supports digestive regularity.